Today, my son, who's 6 years old, asked, "How do you know an egg is boiled versus not hard boiled?" And so, there's two ways. This way, we're gonna do where we don't have to use water. Okay? If you can, how can you check in water, Neil?
Wait, how do you check the water for what?
Well, one of them will sink and one of them will float. That's how you know. I don't know. You can Google the answer. For this method, we're testing it and we know. So this one is a hard-boiled egg. Spin it. So you see how easy it spins?
And then,
This one is a regular egg.
okay, do it.
Yeah. See? Hard-boiled egg.
It's harder to spin this egg.
Yeah, if you spin it really quickly, it won't spin.
If you
It takes a while for it to spin. You see? But don't break this, okay? We still need to eat this. So long story short, a hard-boiled egg spins very easily.
like a
A
spin top.
regular egg, non-hard-boiled, doesn't spin so easily. It's not as efficient as clear cut as using water, a cup of water or something, and putting it into a cup of water. Long story short, do you understand now, Dexter?
Yeah.